there, Dave from Motels here. I'm Motels Dave, and I'm here to talk very briefly about the final end of the Ram 1500 Classic. And we knew that this was coming. It was predicted to end this year. It's been out for a long time. So what is the Ram 1500 Classic anyway? It's the previous generation Ram pickup, the DS as it was coded. And now we're on DT. So why are we still making the DS? Because it's cheaper. The equipment's all paid for, the tooling is paid for, the engineering is paid for, but basically there's not a whole lot going on with it, so it's cheaper to keep it going and have it as the inexpensive entry-level Ram 1500. Great for fleets, great for people who really use a truck for truck stuff and don't have to be in luxury. Now, of course, the DT Ram is a much nicer pickup in many ways. It's more comfortable. It has many other advantages. It's certainly more technologically up to date, and it's being refreshed for 2025, as you probably know, with the Hurricane engines, which are a lot more powerful, and now a high performance engine, which is available for the first time, unless you count the SRT series V10 powered pickups. And I wouldn't be surprised if this new one can outperform those. It'll certainly get better gas mileage. It would have to. So you might ask, what's going on with the Warren plant? Well, they're going to keep on making Wagoneers and Grand Wagoneers, and this is where it gets kind of interesting, is because the Wagoneer, as you know, is on the Ram 1500 platform, but in a year or two, it is going to move over and be on the new STLA frame, or Stella frame, depending on how you want to pronounce the acronym and the initials. Now, I don't know about you, but I have no idea what that will entail and how difficult that will be, but they are going to be doing that, refreshing it, and then they're going to be coming out with a battery electric version a year later, and then that gets a refresh along with the gasoline version a year after that. So they're going to be pretty busy keeping the Wagoneer current and up to date, and they're going to be keeping the plant busy making the Wagoneer. So far, I haven't heard of any new product going in there other than the Wagoneer electric version, keeping in mind that the Wagoneer is really four vehicles. It's the short wheelbase regular, the long wheelbase regular, and then a luxury version of each one. Now, you might ask, what about the next generation Durango? And the answer is that's all in the UAW agreement. It's going to be staying right at Jefferson, and it's going to be getting an upgrade. It's going to be getting redesigned. Probably it'll join the new Grand Cherokee platform, but it might play leapfrog and go up to Stella Large. No way of knowing right now. It's not very explicit in the plans what's going to happen, except that in 2026 there will be a new Durango, and that's pretty much what we know. Also, that it will be going on through at least 2028, and that's when the labor agreement ends. And from there, who knows what will happen. It's not me. It might not even be the people at Stellantis, because the market has a lot to say about this. You know, if suddenly the Durango sales crash, probably won't continue past 2028. On the other hand, if it booms and everybody loves it, then yeah, it'll definitely continue. So this is what we've got going on in the future that we know about. Warren Truck is not going to be shut down anytime soon, even though the Ram 1500 Classic, which is only made at Warren Truck and which is the only truck made at Warren Truck other than Wagoneer, that's going away. But the Wagoneer is not going away, and it's not leaving Warren. So Warren stays open, Jefferson stays open, Sterling Heights stays open, at least through 2028, and after that, who knows? We'll find out.